of the fest.
Amid rising prices of essential commodities in Meghalaya, Food and Civil Supplies Minister Kamingwon Imban convened a meeting of the State Price Monitoring System on Wednesday. Addressing the media, he mentioned plans to brief Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who will soon call an interdepartmental meeting to address the issue. Currently, the price monitoring system tracks 38 commodities, including certain vegetables, capturing daily data to help district take timely actions based on this information.
Today we decide in the meeting, we'll ask the Honorable Chief Minister to call all the related departments regarding that. Home Department, Agriculture, Food and Civil Supply, so forth and so on. Then after the same, we will discuss, because this is affect not only the food and civil supply. Every department who link with this market